king though. You-
Okay, there we go. All right, so I got you up and running. So if you want to just take like 5 seconds just to tell everybody your name, your age, and just where you're from.
All right. Take one. Okay. My name is Makai Figueredo. I am 22 years old. I am originally from Angola, but I was raised in Portugal. Came in the United States, you know, I think in my early teenage years, and I've just been here ever since.
Okay.
And that's pretty much it.
All right, cool, man. So, um, let me ask, like, what was like your biggest problem before you purchased the Forex Fortune Factory?
I didn't have, a clue.
Hmm.
I had no knowledge of this industry. I had a couple like friends that were into stocks, but I didn't have that capital, to
Uh-huh.
start on that. And I've also, encountered with some of my friends, classmates that were like, also within the community, like the Forex community. So I just kind of like, got in some new knowledge on that. And they just like pretty much, yeah, helped me out throughout this whole process. But as far as like having it like difficulties, prior to that, I had no knowledge. So the Forex Factory like completely like enhanced all my knowledge that I really needed.
Okay. And when did you buy the program? Just so everybody knows.
It was like it was like 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks before
Uh-huh.
that I bought it, and I'm not gonna lie, I originally like put in 250. I like completely forced it, and I lost that, but I deposited. It was like Sunday. I put a deposit of like 1,100, and you know I saw the charts. I went over prior to that Sunday. Went over like the forex, the Q&As, all of the material that you provided,
Hmm.
and like I couldn't complain, man. It was straight on point. It was on point. I checked the charts, even though it wasn't like the main ones, the main like
Currency pairs.
yeah, pairs and all that. But that chart was perfect. It was perfect. It was on point.
So what were the results that you were able to obtain from those?
In 2 days, 17,000.
Wow.
Like right,
So it went up to
I'm,
17.
I'm still I'm still in right now. I haven't like taken the profit yet,
Uh-huh.
but overall from these past 2 days, yeah, I've made over 10K.
That's crazy, man.
Oh, I've made over 10K.
That's crazy.
I mean, I was very confident because I looked at the previous week on those charts, on that same chart, the GBP caddy. Yeah, I went on that. I was just like, yeah, I'm pretty sure this is gonna it's gonna go both ways. So
So if let me ask you this, so like if someone called you up and asked you why they should invest into the Forex Fortune Factory, what would be the answer that you give them?
as a newbie, honestly, this is a life changer. Like it's a life changer. Like for real. I'm not gonna like sorry to use this term. I'm not gonna like bullshit around people. Like I've literally done it by myself,
Uh-huh.
put my own money in it. I mean, back then, man, I used to struggle too much, man. I gotta thank my homies. They're the ones that like really hooked me up. And if it wasn't for them, and actually for you, for this,
Hmm.
strategy, I wouldn't even be making this. So like, I'm completely thankful for that.
Okay. Awesome, man. So, the 17,000 is obviously like that's a big feat, like that's a big triumph. So, Do you want to explain just so like people have like real expectations on what to expect coming in? Do you want to explain like in your own words like how you obtain that, and then also what a newbie should expect to make coming into the Forex Fortune Factory program?
I mean, honestly, I was overly confident, but prior to, like I said, prior to these days, I've actually looked in. I like put my butt off. I like worked my butt off to just like
Really understand it.
train myself and get that. As a newbie, I think we should always like follow your footsteps, not to like overly deposit like an extensive amount. You don't want to do that. You want to start with what you can at this particular moment. So that's what I did. But as soon as I went through, the whole package that you like provided, this week, like there was no way that I was like gonna go on drawdown. I didn't
Right.
saw it was literally all blues. All I saw.
Right.
Went to sleep, woke up next day.
Nothing but blue.
I feel like I'm still dreaming, man. Like I'm making money. Like this is like what a lower class. What this is like lower class money over like yearly, right?
Yeah.
If I'm not mistaken.
17. Yeah.
17.
And
Big profit.
just so I see your hat, man. You go to LSU?
Yeah, I go to LSU, man. I go to LSU.
Nice.
I'm majoring in computer science. Yeah.
I'm sure the viewers would want to hear about that. That you're a college student.
Yeah. I'm not trying to like to drop out. My original I'm not trying to drop out now, man.
Yeah.
My original, goal is to like finish college with, profits, man. I don't want to like finish, get this done, and then find a job and start off from there. Nah, I want to like build up, with what I got, and yeah, keep it moving.
Awesome, man. Yeah, you're actually not the only. Of course, I'm sure you're not the only student we have, but we have another guy who's also a computer science major, and he's killing it as well. And I mean, I just even though I end up dropping out of school, for people like yourself that plan on building your profits while you're in school still, it's just an opportunity to graduate debt free, honestly, and have
Definitely.
plenty of money put aside to start your life in the real world. So I mean, props on that, bro. You're already well ahead.
Definitely, man. Definitely, man. I gotta thank you, man. Like, if it weren't for you, man, I wouldn't be making this.
No, it's all good, man. You put in the
I'll
you
be
put in the
going
effort.
on drawdowns and overly risking and forcing everything. So this definitely is just like this is making my life stable. Like it's gonna stabilize my life. I'm not gonna like front and lie. I got my friends that like I keep on repeating the same things. Like, if it weren't for them and you, like I wouldn't be doing this.
Yeah.
So I'm like completely thankful, man.
Well, hey, man, I'm just glad that you're profiting. That's what Thousand Lives Change is all about, honestly.
Yeah.
So I thank you, man. That's pretty much all I got. I appreciate you hopping on here with me and just telling everything about what you've been able to accomplish so far. Keep it up. Um, just if you do take a loss, because uh, they do come. I want you to just make sure that you keep your head up because you started off with a big stride. So if you do get kicked back just a little bit, like keep your head up because you can make another big stride. So
Okay.
I know that you're going to continue to succeed because you caught onto it so quickly. So it's going to just be easy for you. But I just wanted to prep you on that since I haven't really had a lot of time to talk with you before. And this is this is just recording aside. Like this is just like my real opinion. If you do take any kind of L's or any kind of losses, like just keep your head up and keep going forward because you're gonna make more W's. And so, that's all I got to say, man. Keep killing it. Thousand Lives Changed.
Hey, man. Thank you once again. Thank you, man.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No problem. All right, bro. I'll talk to you soon then.
All right, man.
All right, take care.